Get ready, ElectroDrive news is live. We've got a high-octane breakdown of the latest in electric innovation. First up, a shocking mid-air collision involving Xpeng's futuristic flying cars. Then, we dive into the unexpected impact of Fed rate adjustments on auto loans. Next, we've got exclusive details on the Xpeng AeroHT Voyager X2's fiery mishap at the Changchun Air Show. And finally, we explore the massive potential of China's burgeoning low-altitude economy. Stick around, this is ElectroDrive news. Two Xpeng flying cars just crashed midair. In the lead-up to the Changchun Air Show, two of Xpeng's ambitious eVTOL aircraft, designed to fold into their land aircraft carrier vehicles, collided during a formation drill. While one aircraft managed a safe landing, the other sustained significant damage and caught fire after falling from the sky, with one passenger reportedly suffering minor injuries. This incident, occurring during a rehearsal, raises questions about the safety protocols for these advanced, autonomous-ready aircraft, even as Xpeng aims to begin production by 2026 with prices around $281,000. The accident has sparked discussions online about the practicalities and risks of integrating aerial mobility into our lives. Don't go anywhere, because the ramifications of this crash are far from over. And next, we're shifting gears to explore how financial policy could be impacting your next car purchase. The Federal Reserve's recent adjustments to the benchmark interest rate are sending ripples through the automotive industry, directly influencing the rates auto lenders charge consumers. This means that the cost of financing your next vehicle, whether it's a new EV or a traditional car, could be on the rise. For buyers looking to finance their purchase, these rate hikes can translate into higher monthly payments and a more expensive overall ownership experience. Analysts are closely watching how these changes will affect car sales and consumer spending in the coming months. Stay tuned as we bring you more critical updates that could affect your wallet. Coming up next, we're going back to the skies for a deeper look at that dramatic Xpeng flying car incident. Disaster struck during a rehearsal for the Changchun Air Show when two Xpeng AeroHT electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles collided in midair. The manufacturer, Xpeng AeroHT, an affiliate of Xpeng, stated the cause was insufficient flight distance. While one aircraft landed safely, the other suffered fuselage damage and ignited upon landing. Fortunately, all personnel on site were reported safe, though one pilot sustained minor injuries. Videos circulating online show plumes of smoke billowing from the damaged vehicle. This incident occurs as China aggressively pursues its low-altitude economy, a sector projected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars by 2035, encompassing flying taxis, drone deliveries, and more. Despite this setback, Xpeng AeroHT, which claims to be Asia's largest flying car company, continues its development, highlighting the high stakes and rapid pace of innovation in this emerging market. This aerial mishap is a stark reminder of the challenges ahead. But don't switch away, because we're about to zoom into the massive economic potential of China's skies. China is rapidly building its low-altitude economy, a sector poised for explosive growth encompassing flying taxis, drone deliveries, and advanced aerial services, with projections estimating a market size of $482 billion by 2035. This national strategy, officially recognized by the Communist Party, aims to unlock new avenues for economic expansion across various industries, including tourism, logistics, and disaster relief. Manufacturers like Xpeng AeroHT are at the forefront, developing innovative eVTOLs and establishing flying camps for public experience. With over 2,000 drone manufacturers and 20,000 UAV companies already operating in the country, China is cementing its position as a global leader in unmanned aerial technology and pushing the boundaries of aerial mobility. China's ambition in the skies is undeniable. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of these groundbreaking developments. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We saw Xpeng's flying cars collide midair, explored the Fed's impact on auto loan rates, detailed the Xpeng AeroHT fiery crash, and examined China's booming low-altitude economy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your electric and future mobility updates, Hit that notification bell so you never miss a story, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content.